Hello! Finally, I received my LiON Smart Charger today. It's coming in a nice paper box. Let's open and have a look inside. Okay, you have a protection back inside with a LiON logo on. Okay, I can find also a small manual. On the manual you have the direct link to the App Store on Google Play Store for downloading the app. And you have a small quick guide, only some pictures how to apply the right program to the LiON. Okay, it's okay for me. Let's have a look what is inside the protection bag. We can open it and we have the LiON Smart Charger inside. On one hand you can see the very nice logo on it, a little bit shiny. You have the position of the NFC antenna. It's only a label you can peel off later on. This is okay. This is very small and lightweight. This is really cool. Let's bring the LiON alive and put him to mains. Let's see what's happening. Okay, LiON is blinking green. Let's apply the right program. We have the LiON Smart Charger app. So let's start it. Then I use the right profile. Let's say, yeah, we're gonna have a quick loading and say apply. Okay, a small video is popping up to show how to move the mobile over the LiON. Okay, thanks for that. And let's program the LiON. Oh, that's very easy. It's done. We have a green hook. It seems to be everything is ready. Okay, let's start and load a battery. I have my cable here with me. I connect the cable to the LiON. I have my battery here. And connect the battery to the charger now. Let's see what's happening. Okay, I can see the battery is charging and also the LiON tells me it's charging is a red light. Okay, let's look or see what is the LiON doing in this moment. I can read out what it's doing. We have a small video again and I will read out what the LiON is doing. Okay, let's have a look. We have our goal 100%. We are charging at 4 amps. In this moment we have 58% status and we have roughly 2 hours until we are ready with charging. Sounds good. Great.